हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू आवर न्यू चैनल स्टेनो वाले सर। मैं आपको डिक्टेशन प्रोवाइड करने जा रहा हूँ। बी रेडी फॉर इट। स्टार्ट। एज इट अपीयर्स द हाई कोर्ट हैज़ टेकन एक्सेप्शन टू द फैक्ट दैट द एप्लीकेशन was moved when the second judge was allotted the roster to deal with the application under section 438 CRPC. Stop to appreciate the analysis made by the High Court. We have bestowed our anxious consideration and perused the order impugned. Stop. As far as the distinction drawn by the High Court passed in a perverse manner, excluding the relevant matters and considering the extraneous matters which deserves to be lancinated in exercise of supervisory jurisdiction to nullify the same and the other, which is fundamentally and absolutely situation based, for cancelling the order of bail because of violation of the terms and conditions of the order granting bail and other supervising circumstances. Stop. However, the said situation or circumstances does not arise in the case at hand. Stop. Para. In that context, this court held that long-standing convention and judicial discipline requires bail application to be placed before the learned judge who had passed earlier orders. Stop. On a perusal of the aforesaid authorities, it is clear to us that the learned judge who has declined to entertain the prayer for grant of bail, if available, should hear the second bail application or the successive bail applications. Stop. It is in consonance with the principle of judicial decorum, discipline, and property. Stop. Needless to say, unless such principle is adhered to, there is enormous possibility of forum shopping which has no sanction in law and definitely has no sanctity. Stop. Para. These appeals have been preferred against the orders passed by the division bench of the Punjab and Haryana High Court at Chandigarh. Stop. The appellants in special leave petition of 2012 are the Chandigarh administration and the Government Medical College and Hospital, Chandigarh. Stop. The appellant has filed the special leave petition with the permission of this court, who was not a party either before the single judge or before the division bench of the Punjab and Haryana High Court. Stop. Leave to file special leave petition was granted in considering the grievous expressed by the said appellant, contending that in the event of the impugned orders of the division bench being implemented, her chance of getting admission to the course of MBBS for the academic year 2014-15 under the non-resident India category would be impugned. Stop. The present impugned orders of the division bench came to be passed. Stop.